is the Eaton fire
on New York Drive in Altadena.
Worst wildfires Los Angeles has ever seen.
Massive destruction.
At least 11 fire-related deaths have been confirmed.
When the Eaton fire hit Los Angeles, cell coverage across the foothills collapsed within the first hour. The technology meant to help in moments like this just stopped working.
The first few hours after a disaster hits, that's when most rescues actually happen. But that's also when the network breaks down, so rescue teams end up operating blind, right when they need information the most.
And this isn't a small problem. Billions of people live in places where this happens every year. The gap between when help is needed and when the tech can actually deliver, that's where lives get lost. So we built something to help close that gap.
Something that keeps working when nothing else does.
The way we did it is simple. Instead of having the drones rely on the internet to think, we put the AI directly on the drones themselves. There's a paper from earlier this year by Nguyen Trang Lee in January of 2026 that proposed something similar but needed Cloud GPT-4. We replaced every LLM with Gemma 4 running locally. We have the same architecture but zero cloud. So now a swarm of drones can see, think, and coordinate rescue work without any internet at all.
Here is the operator dashboard. As you can see, we have 3 drones, and every brain in every drone is Gemma 4 running locally with no cloud or internet required. Each drone is equipped with survivor finding, and that is a small LoRa adapter which is fine-tuned on real disaster aerials and a combination of different datasets that we found, and it runs on each drone and flags possible victims. This then gets sent over to Gemma's vision, which then confirms it, and then we surface this to the operator. And as you can see on the top left for the first drone, it located a survivor, and so the value went up. Now, disaster zones are multilingual. Operators don't always speak English, and so we have the command center where Gemma 4 E4B at the ground station translates any natural language command into a structured call. This command then can be dispatched to the appropriate drone. Now, we also know that LLMs can make mistakes, and we refuse to let a mistake become a drone action, so on the bottom we have this validation where every Gemma call gets validated against a hard schema, and if it fails, we reprompt with the exact error until Gemma fixes it. As you can see, it just blocked a hallucination, and this is the safety net because Gemma is not perfect, and when it hallucinates, the validator catches it before it becomes a drone command. Now here's the part that actually matters. I just killed the entire ground station, and as you can see, drones keep flying because every drone has its own Gemma brain, and the drones can talk to each other directly over a mesh. Usual meshes are over Wi-Fi, but we were able to replicate this behavior from peer-to-peer so drones can talk to each other. If the ground operator's tower goes down, the drones don't stop, they survey, they coordinate, they do whatever they need to do, and the moment the link comes back, everything syncs. In summary, we have hallucination safe function calling, we have multilingual command translation, and we have mesh coordination, all offline, all Gemma 4. This is FieldAgent.
For us, this isn't just another hackathon project. It's the kind of thing you'd want flying over our own families if something like this ever happened.
A swarm of drones that keeps coordinating offline. That could be the difference between someone being found in time or not at all.